Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be putting these tinfoil balls in my washer and over there in my dryer. And I'm going to explain to you why. So there's this thing going around on the internet about putting balls of tinfoil in your washer and dryers to prevent static. So instead of using a dryer sheet, you would put in a ball of tinfoil. And apparently how this works is, after a little bit of research and dumbing it down into ways that I think most people would understand, is that when you wash your clothes, the electrical charge that happens that creates static is caused by electrons. And instead, if you throw in a ball of tinfoil, your tinfoil will collect all of the electrons that create static. So your stuff doesn't get all staticky and you won't have to use dryer sheets or anything like that. So we're going to try it out today. I've got bedding here in my washer and then a thing of regular clothes in my dryer, and we're going to see how this works here, or if it works, what's going to happen to the tinfoil. I'm curious. I definitely would not do this with delicates or anything like that because they'll get caught on these sharp edges of the tinfoil and definitely snag things. I wouldn't throw these in with the blanket Nana knitted you because that'll probably be torn to shreds. So I definitely wouldn't use this with everything, but I'm going to throw that in with my bedding. Start my load per normal. I'm going to do the same thing with the ones in my dryer here. Throwing it in. And start it up. And I'll show you guys what the tinfoil balls look like after both the dryer and my washer are complete with their cycle. Here is what the dryer ball looks like after it came out of my washer. I could not find the one that came out of my dryer to save my life, so I'm gonna have to actually fold that laundry to find it, but obviously way more condensed than what it was. There's that. I don't think it did anything in my washer, honestly, and the whole point of this is to remove the static, and I'm assuming that's more for when things come out of the dryer. But as I was pulling my clothes out, I could hear my clothes staticking together, so I don't really think it did a whole heck of a lot, but definitely a fun little viral hack to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, that helps my channel out a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video.